All right, everybody. Well, this is the Homewood RV Park outside of Ottawa, Kansas on I-35. You can get easy access to it off of I-35 going north or south. And we've been coming here. This is like our third time coming here now. It's just like an in and out spot for us, but it's, like I said, easy access. It's got full hookup, very easy pull through sites, long enough that we don't have to detach the escape pod from the coach. Ottawa is only about 7 miles down the road, where there's like a Walmart and things like that if you need to get some supplies. We have never really stayed here for more than a night or two, but they do a good job in keeping up the park. It's very quiet, and yeah, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of this park. We're not here that long. We don't do a lot of, haven't done anything here entertaining wise, but we're on our way getting back to Wisconsin. Today we head through Kansas City and up through Iowa. I think we're staying in another park in Missouri, though, outside of off of I-35 before we get to Des Moines. So, all right. Well, if you're on I-35 north or south, and Homewood, look up Homewood RV Park outside of Ottawa, Kansas. Great one-night stop in and out.